One of our biggest sellers in Hattie's Cook and Dine is our Shadow Brin. It's an amazing piece of meat. We're getting it from Peter Hannon, and it's just amazing. The amount we sell a week is unbelievable. We serve it with a very simple, which is just potatoes, which have been gently roasted off in a bit of duck fat, with garlic, rosemary and thyme, and seasoned perfectly. We also then classically serve them with mushrooms, spring onion, pepper, and a little bit of butter. And we always serve it with a classic James Street peppercorn sauce. And it's just one of those combinations you just don't mess with. Really hearty food, unbelievably simple to do. With the Shadow Brin, all we're going to do is take it out of the bag. We put it onto a tray. It's already cooked to blue, and we're just going to put it on a tray, preheated oven at 200, and cook it to medium rare, which is really around about 15 minutes. Take it out and we rest it for a further 5 to 6 minutes. We slice it and then we serve it with our vegetables. The vegetables themselves, being rustic, are going to take around about 6 minutes to cook within your oven. So get your timing right and put it in 6 minutes from the end, and you're ready to go. Brilliant. The one thing that we say to all our customers is, when you take this home, you put it in the fridge, but the most important thing is, when you go to cook it, you have to cook from room temperature. Have your oven preheated to 200, you take your fillet out at room temperature and get it ready to go. If you cook it from cold, your cooking times are totally going to be off. So with this now being at room temperature, all we're going to do is take it out of the bag, like so. It's been beautifully seasoned, ready to go. It's been sealed off on our Nebraska, which is a charcoal oven that we use over in Hattie's. And then all I'm going to do is place it in the oven and it's ready to go. Our Shadow Brin's nearly ready to go. We're going to probably take it out about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. But in the meanwhile, we're going to put our rosemary and garlic potatoes in the oven, and mushrooms as well. Potatoes have been pre-cooked, ready to go, so just pop them in there. Once again, room temperature. Our mushrooms have been sliced down, seasoned, all ready to go. Just go and put them in the oven. So, meat's out resting. Next thing we're going to put our peppercorn sauce on. So once again, cream sauce again. You don't want to boil it. You want to gently heat it up. So our peppercorn sauce is in there. Beautiful. It's the same peppercorn sauce recipe we use in Hattie's and James Street. So all we're going to do is now bring it up to a gentle simmer, and then we're going to heat it through. And while that's heating up, we're going to get our vegetables out. Veg's ready to go. We're going to get our vegetables out. So our vegetables are sitting there. Great. Brilliant. And all we're doing is very, very simply, we're just going to put our potatoes and garlic and rosemary all into one container. Brilliant. And then just the mushrooms, sauce and all, juice and all, get everything in there. It's all flavour. Put all that in there. Beautiful. Ready to go. You can really smell that there. Absolutely gorgeous. Brilliant. And then our peppercorn sauce, we're just going to bring it up to the boil. Let it simmer gently. There we are, done. Pour it into our little dishes, ready to go. There's enough sauce for 2 people, easily enough 2 people. And then some. Brilliant, there we have it, spill it a wee bit. So there's our peppercorn sauce, our rosemary and potatoes, our mushrooms with spring onions and peppers, all ready to go. So Shadow Brin's ready to go. We're just going to take it out and give it a good rest now. Just put it on this, keep it on the tray, just cover it in tin foil, and just let it rest. Really important, don't rush it. So, Shadow Brin's well rested. We're sitting here, still plenty of heat. You see the steam coming off it. Tin foil holds it there. But once again, keep on saying, has to rest. So, we've got the shadow here. You can see where you want to cut against the grain. So you wouldn't cut this way here, you'd always cut against the grain. And there's the grain there. You can see the grain now right on the end there. And all we're going to do is just slice it down like so. Now once again, it's all the times are there, so it's down to yourself how you like it cooked. If you like it medium well, not a problem. It's down to yourself. So once again, we'll just put it on the plate like this here. Done like this here, beautifully on. Put it on the plate like so. So our Shadow Brin's been sliced, cooked beautifully. You've got your garlic and rosemary potatoes, your mushrooms with your spring onion, and your peppercorn sauce.